The top 10 water filters. Search EasyVid before you buy. In our unique and comprehensive water filter review, we have compiled a list of the 10 best NSF certified water filters. Now, we are only looking at filters that have been certified by the NSF, not filters that claim to be certified against the NSF standards. So sit back and enjoy, because you have found the last stop in your water filter research. And we begin our review by looking at number 10 on our list, the Every Drop Premium Water Filter made by Whirlpool. Now, they call it a premium water filter. We call it a chlorine remover because that's all that it actually does. While this is an extremely easy to use water filter and it is made in America and comes with great packaging, unfortunately it just doesn't do much. However, if you just want to get rid of the chlorine taste in your water, then this one's for you. Remember, only at easyvid.com on our website are you going to find a full list of every chemical and every metal that these filters remove from your water. So search EasyVid Best Water Filters or click the links beneath this video. Now we're going to look at the Culligan US Easy 1. Now, this is an under-the-sink water filter, and keep in mind in our review we're taking a look at under-the-sink filters, faucet-attached filters, and dispenser or pitcher-style filters. Generally, you should expect under-the-sink filters to do better. However, in this case, this one does not perform very well. However, it does two things well. It does remove chlorine, and it does remove tastes and odors. So if you're looking for a simple, cheap, and easy-to-maintain water filter that goes under your sink, then you should check this one out. However, if you want something that filters out more than chlorine and odors, you're going to want to look ahead. At number 8, we take a look at the Brita Ultramax dispenser. Brita also makes a pitcher that uses the exact same filter. However, we specifically looked at the dispenser in our review. What makes this filter better than the last two on our list? It removes some metals, including copper, mercury, and zinc. And this brings up an important point. When you're shopping for a water filter, what you need to do is look at your local water supply and see what it's high in. See what kind of contaminants that you don't want in your water and base your decision on that. For example, this Brita is the perfect option for someone who needs mercury reduction in their water but doesn't need pharmaceutical reduction because they don't have that problem in their local water supply. Remember, the more you filter out, the more expensive the filters are in the long run. Number 7 on our list is the Watts Premier Under the Sink system, and this is the first filter system that actually removes VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, for the most part also known as pesticides. And while we really like the fact that it removes the VOCs, lead, and cysts, the problem with this filter is it's extremely expensive for what it is. We have a number of other filters lower down on our list that remove these and more for less money. Remember, only at easyvid.com on our website are you going to find a full list of every chemical and every metal that these filters remove from your water. So search EasyVid Best Water Filters or click the links beneath this video. Now let's look at number 6, the WaterChef C7000. WaterChef is an extremely expensive brand of water filter, and this is actually one of their cheapest models. It's a countertop model, but it uses the exact same filter as their even more expensive under-the-sink models. So how do they justify the high cost at WaterChef? Well, we don't exactly know beyond the fact that the filter is made with high build quality. The filter does remove things like chlorine, odor, cysts, VOCs, lead, and MTBE. However, just like the last filter we looked at, there's better ones on our list that cost less, so stick around. Here at number 5, we have the Culligan FM15RA. Now, this is a faucet style filter and it has extremely high build quality that we like. You can get it on your faucet, screw it in easily, and it will not fall off and it won't break like a lot of other faucet based filters. In fact, this is our favorite faucet filter to use, but there's one big downside to it. It doesn't get rid of pesticides. So if you're in an area that doesn't have pesticides in the water, you should probably get this one. But since a lot of us are, it kind of makes it not an option. Number 4, the most comprehensive water filter on our list thus far, the Aquasana AQ5300 series. This is an under-the-sink filter and it gets rid of a ton of bad things. Asbestos, VOCs, bisphenol A, also known as BPA, pharmaceuticals, minerals, chlorine, taste and odor, all of it's cleaned up with the Aquasana system. When testing this system, we did have one leaky replacement filter. We contacted Aquasana, got an excellent English speaker on the phone, and they shipped a new one overnight. If you're looking for a complete under-the-counter system with faucet ready to install, this is the one you should get. Now we're going to look at the best pitcher filter on our list. This is the Pure 5-cup filter. Now we looked at the 5-cup option. We believe there's also a 10 and maybe even a 15-cup option and a dispenser that use the exact same filter, which is what's important. So let's talk about that filter, because most pitcher filters don't actually do a whole lot besides remove chlorine. This one removes chlorine, a ton of different chemicals, metals, BPA, and it only has one major downside, and that's the fact that pure filters tend to cost more in the long run. However, like we said, this removes a lot of stuff from your water that most pitchers will not. Number 2 on our list, the best faucet-based water filter that you can buy, also a Pure system. This is the advanced faucet water system from Pure. Now what we recommend you do is head over to our website and read the review on this one so you can see the massive list of chemicals that it's certified to actually remove. It's pretty overwhelming. You're actually going to have to page through it if you want to see it all. I mean, for God's sakes, this filter even removes DEET. That's mosquito repellent. It removes everything from your water except the water. Remember, only at easyvid.com on our website are you going to find a full list of every chemical and every metal that these filters remove from your water. So search EasyVid Best Water Filters or click the links beneath this video. And finally, number 1 on our list, it's the GE Smart Water Filter System. Now, a quick word of warning, this does not filter as much as the 2 Pure water filters we just looked at, or as much as the Aquasana system. However, to an extent, it's not about having the biggest list of items you filter out of the water, it's about filtering out what matters and what is in most people's water supply. For example, we think it's more important for a water filter to be certified for removing asbestos than it is for it to be certified for removing mosquito repellent, which can't possibly make up a large amount of chemical in your water. So the question then becomes, do you want to pay for the gigantic list of things that you're filtering out, or do you just want to pay for what's important? That's what we think, and that's why we rank the GE Smart Water System as the best water filter that you can get, because it gets rid of all the important things: lead, VOCs, pharmaceuticals, chlorine, and more. The downside to this system is it's an under-the-sink system. It's not as easy to use as the Pure faucet or dispenser filters. Regardless, overall, we feel you'll get the best bang for your buck with this set of water filters. Remember, only at easyvid.com on our website are you going to find a full list of every chemical and every metal that these filters remove from your water. So search EasyVid Best Water Filters or click the links beneath this video.